In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a health charm in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire, craft, and use a health charm. So as you can see at the top left, I currently have 3 hearts. If I lose all of my hearts, my character will faint and I'll have to respawn and get my items again. By using a health charm, you will be able to increase the amount of hearts that you have. So essentially, you will be able to take more hits. So as you can see, to actually acquire the health charm, you will have to make it on a crafting bench. Keep in mind that you will have to update or upgrade the crafting bench to the rare quality, which means that you have to upgrade it 2 times. If you go over to this category here with the heart icon, you will be able to find the health charm. If you don't see it here, you need to do more bench upgrades. You will be able to make this rare blue quality health charm using 3 wool threads, 3 cut ember, 3 sand claw, and 3 flex wood rod. So once you craft this, it is going to appear on your inventory. Now, to actually use this, you just have to equip the item. So it isn't something that you place down or that you use once. You will be able to press W if you are on PC or just drag it here. You can have up to 3. And this one of the rare quality, blue quality, gives me 3 more hearts, so I'll be able to regenerate those. If I go ahead and I proceed with more bench upgrades, I'll possibly be able to make higher quality health charms. In this video, I'm not going to go over all of the materials that you have to acquire to make these, but it is possible for you to get the health charm all the way up to the purple quality, which is the epic quality. So as you can see, I have one example here, and you will be able to drag and equip it here. They will also give you more defense, and you can see the current defense that you have when you open your inventory and you look under the amount of hearts. It is going to be displayed here. And of course, I'm doing this on sandbox mode, but the process should be the same for survival, and you will be able to equip them as is. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a health charm in LEGO Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.